Okay, so we are out on our usual Sunday adventure, but we'll see if we can put a twist to it a little bit later during the day. So follow along and let's see what we can come up with for the rest of the day, adventure wise that is. This little pony's name is Tonto. He's really so small. He's about my knee height, literally. Hey Tonto. Hey doggo, what you looking at? Oh, you're biting the rope. Can't do that. Hey, silly dog. You silly dog. Hello, but you want the jacket? You're getting cold. You want to put it? You want to put the jacket on? Okay, so we just came from a Queen sports center and we decided to drive through to Paarl and visit a place called JANKAN farmstall. This is on the Picardie guest farm. So let's go see what they've got on offer. There's the menu. Okay, what they've done is because of COVID-19 they have established a sort of drive-in and dine where you can place your order. You will be directed to your own private area, and as the board says, notice board says, one of our friendly staff will deliver your goodies. So let's go find out what we can munch on. And what they've done is they've placed and demarcated a few tables and chairs where you can sit out in the open and obviously try and get the spacing far apart to adhere to the COVID-19 rules. And then obviously you can sit here, have lunch and look at the nice mountain. Beautiful spot around here. This trail of these camel humps end up in a little pump track round down at the bottom, more towards the restaurant or the farmstall further down. Right, on we go. Here's a notice board of the Hero Adventure Trails. All the indemnities and rules they've got, that people have got to adhere to. Their phone numbers are stuck on this signpost over here. And that's if ever you want to come and have fun on their trails. They got many more around in the Paarl area, obviously. Hello, hello. Have fun. Hello. There's your cheese and jam Roosterkoek. Some traditional fries. Alright, I'm going to end off our little adventure for the day right here. If you made it this far in the video, well done, and thank you very much for watching. As usual, we promise to do something better, more interesting as we go along. We are still fairly new in vlogging, but hey, sometimes you just got to start recording. Cheers, have a good Sunday, and good luck for the rest of the week. Cheers.